Overall, the NAKSHA program represents a significant step towards modernizing land records, enhancing spatial planning, and ensuring transparency and efficiency in the land administration, enabling participants to deliberate on operational challenges, share best practices, and explore sustainable solutions grounded in field realities.
Have any slide on all this background, straight away we should come to the what we have done till now, what are the challenges we have faced while implementing the project, and what are the probable solutions or what are your suggestions to address the issues.
That the deliberation over the next 2 days will be fruitful, enriching and instrumental in the strengthening of the effective implementation of the NAKSHA program.